Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you what else can you use in place of just saying I'm busy. Because saying I'm busy looks sometimes rude. So you can politely say sorry, I'm in middle of something. Can we talk later? Or can I help you later? Sorry, I'm tired up right now. I'm swamped right now. Swamped means too busy or kind of overburdened. I've got a lot on my plate. Means I have so much to do. Can I get back to you later? I'm fully booked today. I'm kind of busy. Can we talk later? Like, kind of busy is just a modern form of saying I'm busy. You can say I'm kind of busy. Can we talk later? Okay, please tell me in comments section which one is your favorite and in which kind of situation can you use these. Like when you are doing something, then you can say that, sorry, I'm in middle of something. Can I help you later? Or where can you say I'm tied up right now? Where can you say I'm swamped right now? Can you please tell me some examples? Where can we use these phrases? Please subscribe to my channel, otherwise you'll never see me again. Thanks for watching. Give a thumbs up. Bye.